Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you are working inside a remote desktop session and need to print a document directly to the physical printer sitting right next to you, I will show you exactly how to enable printer redirection so you can print locally right now. Let's get started. First, before you actually connect to the remote computer, we need to adjust your connection settings to safely share your local hardware. Press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type exactly mstsc and hit Enter to launch the remote desktop connection window. Before doing anything else, click the Show Options arrow in the bottom left corner to expand the Advanced menu. Next, click on the Local Resources tab at the very top of the window. Look down at the Local Devices and Resources section and make absolutely sure the checkbox next to Printers is ticked. This critical setting tells the remote computer to temporarily map and recognize whatever local printer is currently plugged into your home computer. Finally, go back to the General tab and hit Connect. Once your remote Windows session successfully loads, open the document or web page you want to print and press Ctrl and P to bring up the standard print menu. When choosing a destination, look carefully down the printer list for the exact name of your local printer, followed by the word Redirected in parentheses. Simply select it, hit Print, and your document will instantly be routed back through the network to print out on your physical desk. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.